Configuring TLS for Azure SQL Scale-Up is a crucial step in ensuring the security and integrity of your database connections. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of configuring TLS for Azure SQL Scale-Up. First, it is essential to understand what TLS is and why it is necessary. TLS, or Transport Layer Security, is a cryptographic protocol used to secure communication between a client and a server. When it comes to Azure SQL, TLS is used to encrypt data in transit between your application and the Azure SQL database. To configure TLS for Azure SQL Scale-Up, you will need to ensure that your Azure SQL database is configured to use TLS. By default, Azure SQL databases are configured to use TLS, but you can verify this by checking the database settings. Next, you will need to configure your application to use TLS when connecting to the Azure SQL database. This typically involves specifying the TLS version and cipher suite in your application's connection string. It is recommended to use the latest version of TLS, which is currently TLS 1.2. In addition to configuring your application, you will also need to ensure that your client's operating system and framework support TLS 1.2. This may involve installing updates or patches to ensure that your client is compatible with the latest version of TLS. Another critical aspect of configuring TLS for Azure SQL Scale-Up is certificate validation. When your application connects to the Azure SQL database, it will verify the identity of the server by checking its certificate. To ensure that your application can successfully validate the server's certificate, you will need to install the necessary certificates on your client. Best practices for configuring TLS for Azure SQL Scale-Up include using the latest version of TLS, specifying a strong cipher suite, and ensuring that your client's operating system and framework are up to date. It is also essential to regularly review and update your TLS configuration to ensure that it remains secure and compliant with industry standards. In summary, configuring TLS for Azure SQL Scale-Up involves verifying that your Azure SQL database is configured to use TLS, configuring your application to use TLS, ensuring client compatibility, and validating server certificates. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure that your database connections are secure and compliant with industry standards.